What do these signs tell you when one or more lanes lead off the freeway? A. You must move to the left lane only. B. All lanes continue straight ahead. C. Some lanes may become exit-only lanes. D. Trucks must exit here. The correct answer is C. Some lanes may become exit-only lanes. Under what circumstances can you legally turn right on a red light? A. At any time, without stopping, if there is no posted sign. B. Only when a green arrow is also visible. C. Only after coming to a complete stop and ensuring the way is clear. C. Never, unless directed by a police officer. The correct answer is C. Only after coming to a complete stop and ensuring the way is clear. What does this sign warn drivers of on the left side? A. Hazard close to the left edge of the road. B. Passing lane ends on the left. C. No shoulder on the left side. D. Left lane is for high occupancy vehicles only. The correct answer is A. Hazard close to the left edge of the road. What do EDR, emergency detour route, signs indicate? A. They are routes used to bypass major collisions or closures. B. They are routes restricted to emergency vehicles only. C. They are used to mark roads that are closed for repairs. D. They warn of unexpected weather conditions. The correct answer is A. They are routes used to bypass major collisions or closures. What does this sign indicate is ahead? A. A road with a steep hill. B. An underpass or overpass ahead. C. No trucks under this bridge. D. All traffic must turn left ahead. The correct answer is B. An underpass or overpass ahead. What does this sign with a person walking on it indicate? A. An upcoming area where vehicles have priority. B. A pedestrian crossing ahead, be prepared to slow down and share the road. C. A mandatory stop for all vehicles. D. A school zone where no pedestrians are allowed. The correct answer is B. A pedestrian crossing ahead, be prepared to slow down and share the road. When you see a yellow, amber, light, you should A. Stop immediately, regardless of traffic behind you. B. Stop if you can do so safely, otherwise, proceed with caution. C. Accelerate to clear the intersection quickly. D. Ignore the light if you see no pedestrians. The correct answer is B. Stop if you can do so safely, otherwise, proceed with caution. What does this sign mean? A. Only bicycle permitted ahead. B. Bicycle not allowed ahead. C. Bicycle crossing ahead. D. Bicycle parking here. The correct answer is C. Bicycle crossing ahead. What does a green light at an intersection mean? A. You must stop and wait until it turns yellow. B. You may proceed when safe, yielding to pedestrians already in the intersection. C. You should only turn if there are no vehicles behind you. D. You must remain stopped unless directed by a police officer. The correct answer is B. You may proceed when safe, yielding to pedestrians already in the intersection. What does this sign mean? A. Do not turn right. B. Do not turn right when facing a red light at the intersection. C. Only right turn allowed. D. Do not turn left. The correct answer is B. Do not turn right when facing a red light at the intersection. What does this sign show you the route to? A. A ferry terminal. B. A passenger railway station. C. A cargo shipping dock. D. A scenic lookout point. The correct answer is B. A passenger railway station. What does this sign mean? A. Winding road ahead. B. Road slippery when wet. C. Narrow road ahead. D. Hidden intersection ahead. The correct answer is A. Winding road ahead. What does this sign tell you about the upcoming bridge? A. The bridge is closed due to construction. B. The bridge is permanently raised. C. The bridge ahead can lift or swing to let boats pass. D. Vehicles over 3.5 tons are not allowed. The correct answer is C. The bridge ahead can lift or swing to let boats pass. What does this sign mean? A. Pavement narrows ahead. B. Divided highway ahead. C. Hidden intersection ahead. D. You are approaching a one-way street. The correct answer is A. Pavement narrows ahead. What does this sign mean? A. No left turn permitted. B. Do not turn to go in the opposite direction. U-turn. C. Road slippery when wet. D. No right turn permitted. The correct answer is B. Do not turn to go in the opposite direction. U-turn. What does this temporary detour sign indicate? A. There is a mandatory right turn. B. Follow the detour to the left. C. Local traffic only. D. Road reopens to multiple lanes ahead. The correct answer is B. Follow the detour to the left. What does this sign tell you about the road ahead? A. There is a slight curve to the left. B. The road merges into a one-way street. C. School area ahead, reduce speed. D. Pavement ends on the left side. The correct answer is A. There is a slight curve to the left. What does this sign indicate about school buses? A. School buses will not activate red lights or stop arm when loading/unloading. B. You must stop if you see a school bus anywhere. C. School bus loading zone is ahead. D. Speed limit is reduced when you see a school bus. The correct answer is C. School bus loading zone is ahead. What does this sign warn about the left side of the road ahead? A. No left turn for trucks. B. There is a truck entrance on the left. C. Trucks must merge to the left lane. D. Truck parking only on the left. The correct answer is B. There is a truck entrance on the left. What does this sign mean regarding speed limits in a school zone? A. The speed limit is reduced only during weekends. B. The posted limit applies only if children are present. C. The speed limit is lower during school hours when lights are flashing. D. There is no change in speed limit. The correct answer is C. The speed limit is lower during school hours when lights are flashing.